Operations on relations consist of compositions of two relations, two or more relations, composing the parent relations with itself. Let R be a relations on the set of people such that A, comma B belongs to R. If a person A is a parent of person B, then AC will be R of OR. If and only if there is a person B such that AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R. That is, if and only if there is a person B such that A is the parent of B, B is the parent of C. In other words, A belongs to R into R. If and only if A is the grandparent of C. The power of relations R can be recursively defined as from the definition of composite of two relations. Let R be a relations from set A to B, sets B, and S is a relation from B to set. There are three sets A, B, C. The composite of R and S is the relations consist of order paired A, C, where A belongs to A and C belongs to C, and for which there exists an element B belongs to B such that AB belongs to R and BC belongs to S, where we denote the composite of R and S by S, O, R. Let us take an example. What is the composite of relations R and S, where R is the relations from 1, 2, 3 to 1, 2, 3, 4, two different sets, and R is given by 1, 1, 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 1 and 3, 4. And S is another relations between the two sets 1, 2, 3, 4. These sets is also available in these relations 1, 2, 3, 4 and 0, 1, 2. The S has order pairs 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2 and 4, 1. Then SOR, that is composition of S and R, is the relations from 1, 2, 3 to 0, 1, 2 with 1, 0. Why 1, 0? Since 1, 1 belongs to R and 1, 0 belongs to S. Therefore, 1, 0 belongs to SOR, that is composite relations. Similarly, 1, 1 belongs to R, 1, 4 belongs to R, and 4, 1 belongs to S. Therefore, 1, 1 belongs to S and R. S composition R. Next, 2, 3 belongs to R, and 3, 2 belongs to S, and 3, 1 belongs to S. 3, 1 belongs to S. 2, 3 belongs to R, and 3, 1 belongs to S. What is the middle element? 3. Therefore, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. So, ultimate we have A value is 2 and C value is 1. That is 2, 1. Hence, 2, 1 is the elements order pairs belongs to S and R compositions. Similarly, 2, 2, since 2, 3 belongs to R and 3, 2 belongs to S. Therefore, 2, 2, 3, then 3, 2, 2. Ultimately, the first point is 2 and last point is 2. Therefore, 2, 2 belongs to S and R. S composite R. Similarly, 3, 0 and 3, 1 also present in the composition of S and R. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Let R be a relations this is represented as in the following diagram. This is 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. 1, 2, 2, 2 is a self loop, then 2, 4, 2, 5, then 4, 5 and 5, 6. Now, to calculate a composite relations R OR, R square, that is mean R square. This is R, and we have to calculate R cross R. That is in the same set. it will be R1 R square 2. That means 1 R square 1 and 2, that is 1 2 ordered pair belong to R square. Why? 1 R2 belongs to relations R and 2 R2 belongs to R. Here 1 and 2. 1 R2 means 1 2 belongs to R and 2 2, that means 2 2 belongs to R. Hence ultimate is 1 and 2. 1 2 belongs to R square. That means when we calculate R to the power 1, that means the path length is 1. When we calculate R square, that means the path length is 2. That means from 1 to 2 there is a root from 1 to 2 which have a path length of 2. Let us take here 1 to 2. We can reach from 1 to 2 in this way, 1 to 2, then again 1 to 2, hence 2 to 2. Therefore, the path length will be 1 to 2. That is path length have 2. In this way, 1 R square 4. 1 R square 4, why it is present? Since 1 R2 and 2 R 4. There is no path length between 1 and 4. We have to reach from 1 to 4, from 1 to 2 and 2 to 4. So, there is a path length 1 to 2, 1 and here 1. So, R square will be the path length having the two nodes having path length of this path length is 2. 1 R square 4 will be in R square. Similarly, 1 R square 5. 1 R square 5, 1 R2. 1 R2 means that is 1 2 present in R and 2 R5 present in R square. There is no direct path from 1 to 5. So what is the path length of from 1 to 5 is 1 to 2 and then 2 to 5. Therefore 1 5, that is 1 5 present in R square. In this way 2 R square 2 we can calculate. It is also a path length of 2. Since 2 R 2, one self loop, then another self loop, that 2 2 is present in R square. 2 4 is also present in R square. Since 2 to 2 and 2 to 4, 2 to 2, 2 to 2 and 2 to 4. It is again in the R square. In the similar way, other can be calculated. Hence, the R square relations will be hold 1 2, 1 4, 1 5, 2 2, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 3 5, 3 6. Its directed graph will be, this is the directed graph of relation R and this is R square. Here 1 2, then 1 4, 1 2, this is 1 2, 1 4, this is 1 4, this is 1 5, this is 1 5, and then 2 2, this is 2 2, 2 4, 2 4, 2 5, this is 2 5, 2 6, 2 6, 3 5, 3 5 and 3 6. Sorry, there is no 3 6. Now, let R be a relations on set A, then powers of Rn, that is n is equal to 1, 2, 3 are defined recursively by R1 is equal to R, Rn plus 1, that is Rn OR. Example, let R is equal to 1 1, 2 1, 3 2, 4 3. We have to calculate n is equal to R to the power n for n is equal to 2, 3, 4, etc. R square will be 1 1, 2 1, 3 1, 4 2. R cube will be R square into R, that means a path length of 3, that will be 1 1, 2 1, 3 1, 4 1. R to the power 4 will be 1 1, 2 1, 3 1, 4 1. It is again R to the power 4. When you calculate R to the power 4, it is equal to R to the power 3. Hence, there will be a saturation point. and the edges will edge will be closed. There will be no other edges that are included in the R cube. Hence, R to the power n, when we goes on operating on R, then there will be we get these relations only 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1. So for n is equal to 4 5 6 7 or infinity, it contains the relations 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1. Hence the relation is closed. So in this way we can define a relations, that is a closure relations. The relation R on a set A is transitive if Rn belongs to R. For Rn is equal to 1 2 3 etc. Here Rn, R to the power n, belongs to R to the power, is a subset of R to the power 3. Hence it is a transitive relation. Matrix representation. Two sets A and B are related with the relations such that if a ordered pair holds between AI to BI, then it is 1. Either if there is no ordered pair, it is 0. That is, if AI BJ belongs to R, then it entry is 1, and if AI BJ is not belongs to R, then it is 0. This is the matrix representation. The relations in this problem, A is equal to 1 2 3, B is equal to 1 2. So B is 1 2 and A is equal to 1 2 3. Let R is the relations A B such that A is greater than B, where A belongs to A, B belongs to B. The matrix represented as operator relations. First we create relation. The 2 1 is here, 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2. So 2 1 present, so 2 and 1. The 2 and 1, the intersections points have a 1, and 3 1, 3 and 1. These intersecting points have a 1, and 3 2, 3 2. These intersecting points have a 1, and rest entries are 0. This is the matrix of the relations R. Now, matrix representation of reflexive relations. When the diagonal element is 1, then it is a reflexive relation. A relation R is symmetric if Mi, if the entry Mi is equal to Mji. That is, if you have a matrix representation, you get a matrix representation and make its transitive. Make the transpose of the matrix. If both are equal, then it is symmetric. Here it is shown that 1 1, that is, it is A Mij, it is Mji, and both the values are equal. It is a matrix, Mr is a matrix, and Mrt is the transpose of the matrix. If both are equal, then it is symmetric. Let A is equal to 1 2 3 4. Let R be a relations. Suppose that the relations R on a set S is represented by the matrix. Is R is reflexive, symmetric, and or antisymmetric? It is reflexive since the diagonal element is 1 1. It is symmetric since Mij is equal to Mgi. Here these values are equal. It is not antisymmetric since in antisymmetric this is 1, then this is the element will be 0. Hence it is not antisymmetric. Suppose that S is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Let R be a relation containing A, B such that A is less than or equal to B, where A belongs to S, B belongs to S. Is R reflexive, symmetric, antisymmetric? R is a reflexive and antisymmetric, not symmetric. Since the diagonal element is 1, hence it is reflexive, but the transpose, that is the transposed elements are not equal. That is M, that is here it is M10 is not equal to M01. This is not are equal. Hence it is not symmetric. Suppose the relations R1 and R2 of the matrix, then union and intersections. Union, that is M R1 union R2, that is 1 to 1 correspondence. When we calculate R1 M R1 union R2, then we perform the bitwise OR operations from 1 to 1 correspondent element. Bitwise OR of this element 1 and 1. This is ultimately 1. Bitwise OR of this element and this is 0. Bitwise 1 this element and correspondent this element is 1. In this way, we have to perform bitwise OR operations with the correspondent elements. In the case of intersections, we perform bitwise AND operations. Suppose that here is 1 and here is 1. The bitwise AND will be 1, but here is 1 and here is 0. So bitwise AND will be 0. In this way, we calculate M R1 intersection R2. Representing relations using diagram. So the diagram of the relations. This was discussed earlier. A relation is R is known as reflexive if it has a self loop. It is self loop, that is reflexive. Symmetric. This is a representation of symmetric. Antisymmetric. This is transitive. If AB belongs to R, BC belongs to, that is AC belongs to R, that is AB, BC, that is AC, AB, BC, CD, that is AD, BC and CD, that is BD. The red line, so showing the transitive red line, so the joining of two vertices which holds the transitive properties. The relation is reflexive, transitive or antisymmetric. This is reflexive since all the node has hold the reflexive property self loop. It is not symmetric since AB belongs to R but BA does not belongs to R. AC belongs to R but CA does not belongs to R. It is not an antisymmetric also since in this relation one of the edges have both directions, that is PC and CB, hence it is not an antisymmetric also. It is transitive. It is not transitive, sorry. It also not transitive since from A to B and B to C there is no edges from A to C. It is not reflexive since C has no self loop, D also have no self loop, A have also not self loop. Symmetric relations, it is a symmetric relations. It is not antisymmetric relation. It is not transitive. Thank you.